Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Like I said, here's another great deal I want to share with you. Look at that. A 7-piece comforter set. Look at that. One comforter, two standing shams, 4-piece sheet set. Look at that. Wow, right? And look how beautiful it is. And look at the name, Broyhill. Everybody familiar with that name because of what? Furniture. But didn't know they did this comforter set. And look how beautiful it is. Right, right? Beautiful set. But the thing, this that you won't believe is it's like I said, it's a full queen set. But the thing that you would not believe with this set is the price. Check it out again. We know it's Broyhill. And check out the price. $70 for a 7-piece comforter set, which includes the sheets that match it. How many places you could find that? And what? Broyhill? The people that make furniture? I know you say, free merchandise lady, where do you get that? I got it at the store Big Lots. Yes, Big Lots. 7-piece comforter set, which includes the sheets at Big Lots for $70. Made by Broyhill. And like I said, it's a full queen set. And look at the entire thing. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out some more videos on how to get free grocery and free delivery, how to get free household products and free delivery, and how to get free Tide, full size, and free delivery. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.